Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines.
Migration drives campaign in Torpa as BJP faces JMM. Migration remains a significant concern in Jharkhand's Torpa Assembly constituency, a reserved seat for scheduled tribes, as the BJP and JMM vie for control. The incumbent BJP candidate Koche Munda seeks to retain his position against JMM's Sudeep Guria following a win in 2019 by a 9,667 vote margin. Torpa's high unemployment has spurred youth to migrate to other states for work, often in low-paying jobs such as brick nails. Lack of infrastructure, including a stadium and degree college, further adds to the constituency's challenges. Both parties are making campaign promises focused on tackling migration and improving local opportunities, hoping to sway voters in the November 13 election. Bihar politicians exchange sharp remarks over corruption claims. In Bihar, tensions are escalating between Minister Santosh Singh and Buxar MP Sudhakar Singh over allegations of corruption and intimidation. Santosh Singh has accused Sudhakar Singh and his brother of involvement in a rice misappropriation scandal, questioning the credibility of Sudhakar's public service claims. The controversy began when Sudhakar warned against election misconduct and pledged to retaliate with force if necessary. Santosh Singh responded by promising a strong response to any threats against his party workers, escalating the public dispute. He also highlighted past legal troubles for Sudhakar, emphasizing the court's acknowledgement of the allegations. The heated exchange underscores the charged atmosphere of Bihar's political landscape, with personal accusations adding to the already tense pre-election environment. Amit Shah criticizes Congress record on youth marginalized. As Jharkhand's election season heats up, Union Home Minister Amit Shah directed criticism toward Congress and Rahul Gandhi, accusing them of failing India's youth and poor. Addressing a rally, Shah claimed that Congress neglected marginalized communities historically, while the BJP has worked to empower them. He cited Rahul Gandhi's gesture of allegedly waving a blank document, which he described as a symbol of Congress ineffectiveness. In contrast, Shah praised the BJP's government initiatives such as granting constitutional status to the Backward Classes Commission and reserving jobs for backward communities. Through these efforts, Shah argued the BJP has demonstrated a genuine commitment to upliftment, aiming to present a clear alternative to Congress governance. Rahul Gandhi claims BJP undermines India's constitution. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has intensified the political atmosphere in Jharkhand, accusing the BJP and RSS of attempting to erode constitutional values. He argued that the India Alliance is dedicated to protecting the nation's foundational principles, drawing inspiration from leaders like Birsa Munda, Dr. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. BJP spokesperson Pratul Shahdev dismissed these comments, labeling them as hypothetical and citing the 1975 emergency as a significant constitutional violation by Congress. Additionally, JMM spokesperson Dr. Tanuj Khatri urged voters to reject BJP's alleged attempts to alter the constitution. This debate places the constitution and democracy at the center of the Jharkhand election, with each side vying for public trust. Raids on CM Soren's aides spark election season controversy. In a notable move amid Jharkhand's election season, the Income Tax Department conducted raids across 9 properties linked to Chief Minister Hemant Soren's personal secretary Sunil Srivastava over alleged connections to illegal liquor trade and mining. The operation has stirred debate, with JMM leaders questioning the timing and potential political motivations behind the raids. Similar raids earlier targeted state officials over financial irregularities, including Minister Mithilesh Thakur for alleged discrepancies in Jal Jeevan Mission projects. BJP State President Babulal Marandi supported the raids, defending the authorities' impartiality and questioning Congress criticism. These investigations have further energized the election landscape in Jharkhand as voters assess the implications for governance and accountability.